Good morning and welcome. Just for your information, the whole clip is done with the Hero 7 and also with the Hero 6, and I left the audio untouched as well as the video footage is as well absolutely untouched, so the whole clip is untouched. It's just a little bit cut so that you see it. But you will see it now how it sounds like, and I must say I was very, very impressed, and you will be too. So, good morning. What you see today is the GoPro Hero 7 today. Today I will test if I can vlog, and also I will test the microphone comparison even with the Hero 6 that I also have, that I already used some time to make my clips, but today it's really the stabilization. I know it's good, but what about low light and Hero? Because in my last clip I just saw in low light situation video the Hero 6 was not so good in comparison, for example, the Sony RX100 Mark V, for example. Same shot was much clearer. So since it's Friday, it's a work day, but we'll just make some clips and also talking a little bit inside the camera, so for a short clip that you can see how good you can hear me. So I will also talk something inside Hero 6, so because I wonder myself what the comparison about the audio input is of this. Of course, when I use my RX100 or also the GoPro, I need to Sorry to interrupt, I think I heard already enough. Let's go to the next part, ISO test in low light. So I arrive now in the office. In the office I will not film any scenes because with the GoPro it's too wide. This is just handheld, so I think it should look pretty smooth, but I don't know. My car is now over 12 years old and I think it's beginning falling apart, but I am still happy with the car. It's a very fast little beast. So I arrived at the office. Again, a little low light test. I just handheld, I just walking normal fast, and I wonder how good the image is and also how good that you can hear me. So I need a coffee. It's just handheld. I hope I do not push any microphone inputs here. So, outside is already dark, and I just have a selfie stick, and I wonder how now the audio is, and also how good the quality is in low light. In other YouTube channel I already know that maybe the quality of the image is around the same as the Hero 6, but this we will see. It's a beautiful evening. It's still pretty warm, even for September in Switzerland. So it's actually not bad at all. I started to play golf, but this summer I haven't played much. A lot to do in the office, and as well too many people here. So but now it seems I'm all alone, and this would be very nice actually. I had to be quiet. I'm not alone here. So, but let's test how the sounds look like when I'm talking not so loud. Oh, I'm very impressed. They have made an update of the TrackMan. It looks very nice. Oh, let's play golf. So the TrackMan doesn't work on my smartphone anymore. I just restarted my smartphone now, and let's hope that now it works. Because it's dark outside, so if I just play, I don't know how far, if it goes right, left, so I need that to play now, or unless I can go home. So now I'm not talking very loud. Maybe I need to, in the production, I need to lower high the volume, because normally I do that very often with my RX100 Mark V, and also with the GoPro Hero 6 when I used it also for saying something. It was quite low volume, so I had to turn it off. So I really wonder how this thing goes, because as I mentioned before, they said it should be much better. Such a nice evening, and this thing doesn't work. Piece of shit. Well, I think I have to upgrade to a new smartphone, because like a night like this I would really enjoy to play golf just on the range, but yeah. So now I will be alone, so now I can speak higher volume again, because I'm really alone here. It will be so beautiful day. Why my smartphone is not working? So sad. So, and I don't even know how smooth the footage looks like. Now I'm walking normal. Now I'm walking a little bit slower to be gentle. So, and now I'm just running and trying. So I go home. I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration how it looked like when you were vlogging with only a GoPro. And yeah, I hope to see you soon in my channel, and I wish you a great day. Thank you, bye bye.